Here's how to add contacts on WhatsApp. So first of all, when you open a WhatsApp app, you should proceed to chats over here. And on Android devices, you should find a plus sign like on my screen. It can be located at the bottom left corner of the screen or at the right corner of the screen. On iOS devices, iPhone devices, you will see plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. So basically, you should tap on this plus sign. Once you're here, you will find new contact option. So basically, tap on it. Once you're here, you should enter your first name of contact, last name of contact. Then you should tap on country that you want to add a number. For example, US, and of course tap on phone over here and enter number. When you enter number, you should tap on done at the top right corner of the screen to save a new account to your contact list.